and today we're going to be talking about volume and how it will help you to play more dynamically. So what if your band never became louder or softer, and it always just stayed the same volume for the entire song? That would sound really, really boring, and I would probably fall asleep if I was listening to your band. So this is a bad thing. What we don't want is people falling asleep when we play. To fix this, we want to change our volume. The first thing you have to do is you have to grab your chord sheet and look up the song on YouTube. And what you have to do is you have to write down the song sequence. Now the reason for your chord sheet is that your chord sheet will tell you the lyrics for the verse and the lyrics for the chorus so that you know what comes first and then what comes next. Here's an example. So it starts off with the intro, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, and I would write this down while listening to the YouTube song, and then ending. Ta-da. If this is your first time, you have to write down whether the band is playing softly, loudly, or playing in the middle. Now compared to the rest of the song, the intro sounds really loud, so I'm gonna write down loud. L-O-U-D. Yes. I'm just gonna fill this in. I don't know if you can read this, but it doesn't really matter. Your sheet will look different. If you've done this before and you want to move on to the next step, this is what I do. I'm going to draw 2 lines, and this is the volume, right? So on the top, it's loud, and on the bottom, it's soft. And on the intro, it's kind of loud, and it gets to the verse. In the chorus, it's louder, and it gets to the verse, and in the chorus, it's louder than the intro. And the ending is still loud, but not as loud as the chorus. So yeah, that's my graph for you. And that's what I do. All you need to do next is to memorize this chart, put it in your brain somewhere, and just play like it.